What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to go over how I set up my spread for this week on my mini happy planner. I will be doing a flip through of my mini happy planner pretty soon. I'm still not done with the inside of my planner. I'm still waiting on my dividers. As you can see, I have no dividers or anything, but I will do a flip through of it and show you how I did everything. Pretty much everything in here is done by me or some inserts by other awesome planning accounts. So I will be showing you guys how I set up this week using only the Happy Planner booklets. I'm obsessed with them. They have so many amazing like stickers, and I'm just obsessed with every single booklet that I've been able to get my hands on. But for this spread specifically, I use mostly the one from the new one, which is Simply Lovely. I am obsessed with this sticker booklet. So this is the one I normally use for this one. So if you guys want to see how I set up my mini happy planner, pretty much this spread for this week, and what I use this one for, this specific happy planner for, then all you have to do is keep on watching.
Alright, so first thing is first, what I like to do is I like to look for this spread I'm going to use, and I like to remove it from my planner. I feel like it gives me better space to work with. So to remove the inserts, I just pretty much start dating these. These are undated inserts, and these are from the Honeybee shop. I thought it was from the other account, but they're not. They're from the Honeybee shop, and I love it because it fits perfectly full size box stickers from either Erin Condren or the Happy Planner. So in this case, like I said, I'm going to be using Happy Planner sticker books, and I went in with the theme, like I said, XO. I just thought it was beautiful, very pastel, very clean, very aesthetically, and I love it. So I just pretty much go with the flow, guys. Honestly, when it comes to planning, when it comes to pretty much decorating your planner, I feel like you just need to relax, turn some music on, and just kind of just go with the flow. Honestly, it's not if it's become something like tedious, then this is not a hobby, then this is not something you like to do. I just pretty much go with the flow. I just turn on some music, and that's my baby. I just turn on some music and just relax. It's my time to relax. So I just pretty much go back and forth between these Happy Planner books, the doodling, the journaling, doodling, and stuff like that. And I just pretty much place stickers wherever I feel like it. And like I said, I like to make it look clean and aesthetically that has a aesthetic feel to it. And honestly speaking, these books, the new ones that have come out, are amazing, guys. I love each book, and I just feel like I do not want to use any stickers because I just feel like no. But anyways, just here placing stickers and just having fun with it, guys. Honestly, I can't stress that enough. And after I'm done with placing the stickers, I go in and fill it in little by little, what I know that I have to do this week, upcoming week. And then as the days go by, I just fill in and make it look more presentable. And I just, oh, wait a minute, I have something to do on Tuesday, and I write it down. Or I have something to do on Thursday, and I write it down. So I place the inserts back in the planner, and then I go into my dailies. I will be switching the dailies, but these are pretty cool because they look bullet journal-y like, but I will be switching to them pretty soon. It doesn't give me enough space to put stickers, as you can see. But anyways, they're really cool. These are I think these are from Mama Jeans, and I love her inserts. So here's just my daily. I'm just pretty much putting things that will go on those boxes, and that's it, honestly speaking. Like, and I put a quote there just to kind of motivate me on a Monday to start my week and whatnot. But like I said, honestly speaking, like, these are great because they're just very note-taking sort of thing, but I just need something a little bit more practical. So there you go. That's pretty much what I do, guys. That is my plan with me.
Alright guys, so there you have it. This is pretty much the layout I went with. I like to keep it very simple. I like to keep it very clean but very cohesive. I went with the XO theme that the Simply Lovely had, and that light cream peach color, I would say, with black. That's kind of what I wanted to keep it. So I just go do very simple, because at the end of the week when you're writing stuff out, it kind of tends to look a lot like too much, and then I just hate looking at a planner that has too much going on. I like to keep it very clean, very simple. And like I said, these inserts, if I'm not mistaken, these are from Mama Jean Designs, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. I don't think these are from the Honeybee. I think these are Mama Jean's insert. And then I like using her as well. I like using her bullet journal type looking one for dailies, and I absolutely love this one for my daily, because I need to be on top of my stuff. So here I like to write my to-do list. I have an appointment at 10:30 in the morning on Monday, and then don't forget, and today you have like the 3, and then in the bottom I like to put like the weather for that day. In Florida it tends to change, but whatnot. But anyways guys, so this is pretty much what I like to use. I use the weekly, and then I come here and I use the daily, and of course I use any notes that I have to do. I put it back here on my notes section and whatnot. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. I will definitely do a flip through on how I have everything set up in this happy planner, and the inserts, where they're from, and all the little cute things that I have in this planner, where are they from, and all that. I will definitely do a video for you guys on that pretty soon. Like I said, I am not done preparing my planner. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay with the big expandable disc or if I'm going to go back to the regular ones. I'm not sure yet, but yeah guys, this is my happy planner. And I love it because I was able to customize it the way I wanted it. And yeah guys, so if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know when a video pops up. And if you don't follow me on my planning account, I'm going to leave it down below so you can follow me on Planning with Frances. And also some of the things that are here are from my shop. I also have a sticker shop. I'll leave that also down below. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. Muchos besos. I'll see you ladies on my following video. Bye.